Welcome back. It's Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about creating generational wealth and passive income. So today the market was mixed. We are up for most part of the day. So when we opened about 9 o'clock this morning, we were up. And then for the rest of the day, it stalled. So even though the portfolio reflects negative 1.3%, it still was a pretty decent day considering, okay? So the market was down in this portfolio, Robinhood 1.13%, but we did have a few bright spots. So we had Nucor, ticker symbol NUE was up 3.32%. Again, this is part of the steel company's steel maker. Again, I'm up 25% on the year with Nucor, a little over 25%. So I feel good about my Nucor investment. Then there was Apple, but Apple fell during the day. So it was up as much as 3%. Apple was up 2.62%. If you check my Instagram from time to time during the day, you'll see that I had posted Microsoft up 3.3%. Apple was up 3.66%. And as the chart showed the day, everything kind of cooled off and then fell off later in the day. But we did have stocks rally. So we had Ford, even though it was up 3%, it did cool off at the close, 1.36%. We also had Docs was up 3.93%. See here. Costco was up 2.23%, ticker symbol COST, Costco. The big box retailer was up 2.23%. And Walmart was up 2%, okay? So it was an okay day. Oil still looked good. COP, ConocoPhillips was up. And today the banks led. Bank of America was up as well as JP Morgan, up over 5%. If you watched my video earlier, I talked about Bank of America and JP Morgan. So today they led, there was a conference. JP Morgan hosted a conference and JP Diamond talked about the positives of the market. Also, Brian Moynihan, CEO of Bank of America, said he believed the consumer is flush with savings. So he believes that they can ride out if a recession does appear. So the banks did lead today. That was the big news. Check out CNBC and you'll find out more about that. Here's an article 1 hour ago. Kathy Woods scoops up $10 million in Tesla stock as it crashes 32% in a month. I think that's a good deal, at least Tesla. Apple is seeing a strong China demand for iPhones, analyst survey finds. Okay, there's another thing that people aren't talking about or why the market is slowing down. Yes, we have supply chain issues, but part of that is because China has been shut down due to the pandemic. So that's affecting companies like Tesla, Apple, number of companies that get, chips from, the Asian market. So that's something to think about. Netflix shareholders have endured a 63% loss from investing in a stock a year ago. Okay, so I am a Netflix investor. I have a little over $1,000 invested in Netflix as well. So I am down quite a bit on Netflix. All right, so I'm in Netflix as well. Why Bank of America shares are rising today. Okay, so again, as I mentioned earlier, Bank of America was up 5.94%, and it was even higher during the day. Okay, so let me go to my other portfolio really quickly. As you can see, after the day, like I said, we were up as much as 300. If you saw my earlier video morning update, it was up as much as 300. And finally today, we whittled back down to 0.16%, 59 bucks. So it wasn't much to talk about. Microsoft was up 2.55%. Apple was up 2.59% as well, made $35. Now, one of the things about Microsoft, the stock did get re-graded today. It got re-rated to about a price target of $320 rather than the $350. So again, many stocks, even Microsoft, get re-rated. So the price target is no longer 350 or 400. It's now $320. That's still a great opportunity. Microsoft, to get this stock at $260. It still has room to grow. Again, if tech ever does take off a lot, this thing could balloon to $400 a share. Of course, Apple still under, $150 a share, still a great buy. We're looking at a $200 price target once Apple gets going, if we can get out of this bear market. And Ford, a great stock. Again, Ford EV trucks are just now being delivered. They were just started production back in April, end of April, and now they're getting into the hands of the consumers. So we'll see how many customers get their new F-150 and how they enjoy it as well. And another stock is, this is one of the stocks here. ConocoPhillips was up again, passing the 107 mark, up to $109 per share. ConocoPhillips is up as gas prices keep on pushing. Okay. Visa was up slightly today too, 2.68%. In One Main Financial, another dividend stock, was up 2.68%. So a pretty decent day. Not that great, not the high pops or beta you get from like a Okta or Twilio, but still pretty fair day, a mixture of banks and some tech in there, Apple. So it was pretty decent day. Nothing to write home about. Let's take a look and see if the opportunities were still there. Of course, you still got Tesla. Tesla trading under $700. Still a great place to be. Tesla, as they work things out, Tesla trading at $657. I can't believe this is low. All right. But this just reminds me, last year, around the February 2021, Tesla was as low as $400. So again, Tesla retracing some of its steps. Again, this is part of China being shut down. The production numbers of vehicles and deliveries are going to slow down. So we'll see where Tesla rallies to, but right now it's trading under $700. COP, I don't think there's much room you can get in that. I think that's still going higher though. AMD may be an opportunity, still trading under $100 a share. Again, some people are picking between the two, AMD or NVIDIA. I can't really say which one is better, but I like both CEOs of AMD and NVIDIA. Also, Regis Financial, another great stock. Again, this is a dividend paying stock. Even if moves up $1 or $2, still pretty decent stock. Regis Bank pays a dividend as well. And Microsoft, of course, Microsoft, I love talking about Microsoft, talk about it all the time. And like I said, it can easily go back to 320. And then Bank of America. Bank of America looked good today, up 5.93%. Like I said, I think it will go back to $40. And of course, JP Morgan, they are down a lot. Let me see where JP Morgan is. I think they were down almost below $100. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So JP Morgan, I'm only up 23%. I bought this stock last year or the year before about $89. I'm only up 23%, but JP Morgan can easily go back to $150 per share. If we look at JP Morgan over a year ago, you're looking at a stock that was nearly $180. Okay, so JP Morgan, don't sleep on it. It is one of the number one banks. Again, is one of the major three banks, Bank of America, Chase, and Wells Fargo, and is well run by Jamie Dimon. Great stock to be in. Okay, so that is the news. Those are the opportunities. Again, the banks led the rallies today. Bank of America was up over 5%. JP Morgan was up 6%. Ticker symbol CLF, Cleveland Cliffs was up as well. So those were the top day gainers. Again, we still have earnings call this week. We have NVIDIA reports on 5/25. So that'll be Wednesday, NVIDIA reports. Also, we have Costco reporting on Thursday. They will report as well. And we have Macy's reporting this week as well, Thursday. So we got Macy's, Costco, and NVIDIA, which I own all three of these. Keep a lookout on NVIDIA. Let's see if they beat their estimates on Wednesday. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get some free stock, please use my Robinhood link. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Good night.